reach out to them and encourage them to join us around these founding principles because of the essential task before us to defend our freedom. Now, God has given us free will. In these coming months and throughout our lives, we can choose to hide in the shadows and cower in fear, or we can choose to act and lead with love. We can choose to elect leaders who are committed to the Constitution, putting the interests of the American people and our nation first. Choose to fight the darkness of fear and hatred with the light of courage, love, and respect. Have faith that the light of God's unconditional love burns brightly in every one of our hearts and will give us that strength and that clarity and that true happiness that we seek, and that He will guide us every day, every step through these dark times to the bright future that our founders envisioned for our great country. Let us never forget, we belong to God and to no one else. And by God's grace, we are free, and we will remain free. Thank you all so much. God bless you. God bless America. Aloha. Thank you.